Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rock Band on PlayStation 5. First, gather your PlayStation 4 Rock Band instruments and ensure they are compatible. You'll need to connect any required dongles to your PlayStation 5 USB ports. Make sure your Rock Band game is completely updated to the latest version for smooth gameplay and instrument recognition. This setup ensures a seamless transition. Now let's connect your instruments. Take your PlayStation 4 instrument dongle and plug it into an available USB port on your PlayStation 5 console. Next, power on your Rock Band guitar, drum kit, or microphone. Locate the sync button on both the dongle and your instrument, then press them to establish a connection. A solid light indicates successful pairing.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: after rocking out, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleanup. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, perfect for keeping your gaming space tidy. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your instruments are connected, it's time for the game. If you have a physical PlayStation 4 disc, insert it into your PlayStation 5 console. For digital owners, download the game from your PlayStation 5 library. After installation, ensure you allow the game to download and apply all necessary software updates. This step is crucial for optimal performance and compatibility. Sometimes you might encounter minor issues. If your instruments aren't connecting, try restarting both your PlayStation 5 and the instruments. Always check your instrument batteries. Low power can cause connection problems. If an instrument loses connection mid-song, simply resync it using the dongle and instrument buttons. These simple steps resolve most common gameplay interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.